Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install these Klock Werks flare handguards on this 2020 Road Glide. For most Harley Davidsons, this install is going to be the same all the way back to like 82, I believe. Really easy install. Now, why would you want these? Well, actually, if you have handguards that are up like this, or say you have a dyno or a Sportster or Softail where you don't have a fairing, your hands are really exposed. And in cold weather, they freeze first. In rain, they take all the abuse first. God forbid you're in some sleet, you're really gonna feel it. These come in very, very handy. I like to run them especially in cooler weather. And this is the Klock Werks flare design. You can kind of see that flip up there. It's gonna match our windshield. Speaking of matching windshields, they offer these in all of the same colors they offer their windshields, so you can match them exactly to your windshield color if you want. So you have the clear, the smoke, the dark smoke, their whole color line, as well as this ice color line that has this really flashy edge. As far as the install goes, we're just going to use one tool. That's going to be a 1/2-inch wrench. We do have the option for a little bit of adjustment here if you want. There's an Allen screw back there. But all we're going to need is a wrench for today, so let's get to work. So we're gonna take our 1/2-inch wrench, we're gonna pull our nut off the bottom, we're gonna pull our mirror out. This bracket is gonna ride on the top of our control, and the mirror will drop back through it, and we'll tighten it up. When you go to tighten this up, not only do you need to readjust your mirror, you can adjust how far in or out you want the handguard. Just give yourself plenty of room for your lever to work. So now that that's tight, we're gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Boom, just that easy. We're all wrapped up. Pretty slick install. Change the aesthetic of your bike to look a little more moto or dyno bro or performance bagger. You also get some nice protection for your hands when you're in that bad weather on the road. If you're looking for more information on these, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about these handguards. Still looking for more information? Feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.